Hello, you're on the SetAnet channel. In this review, I will show you how to set up a proxy in RankerX. A couple of simple steps and you're done. Repeat after me. Open RankerX. On the left, you need to select Options. The window that opens has several tabs. Find the Proxy tab. Make Use Proxy for Submission active. Now select Add Proxies and set your proxy data like this: proxy IP, proxy port. This is the format if you have free proxies, which you have found in the public domain. And if you use a personal proxy, then enter in the following format: IP, port, login, password. How many proxies, so many rows. When everything is entered, click Add. Now you have to select Check Proxies to check your proxies. Leave the ones that work. Done. Everything is set, and now you can work with proxy in RankerX. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like. Have a good work. Bye.